Hi, today we are going to read the text, A Good Job. There are words that are our words to know in this text, and there are words with the letter J, which says J, and words with the short O, Ah. We're going to sound out the words and then read it the fast way. So we're going to decode by saying the sound of each letter and then putting them together, and it's called blending. And then we're going to read each sentence using what we call fluency. It means reading with a talking voice. A good job. Listen how I sound out the words, and then I'll go back and read it the fast way. Ad, rod, at, got, job, in, rig, rod, and can, it, sit, in, the, rig. Now I'll read it the fast way. Rod got a job in a rig. Rod can sit in the rig. I got a job, said John. John can dig. Dig, John, dig. So let's read this the fast way. I got a job, said John. John can dig. Dig, John, dig. Can you find the word said on the page? That's one of our words to know. Yes, if your finger is on this word, you are correct. This is the word said. Let's sound these words out. Dom, got, job, in, cab. Dom, and can, it, sit, in the cab. Now let's read it the fast way. Dom got a job in a cab. Dom can sit in the cab. Got, a job. And can, tap. Let's try to read these the fast way. Dot, can, tap. Tap it, dot. Now I'm going to try to read this the fast way. Pam got a job. Pam could mix jam. Mix it, Pam. Then I ate it, said Pam. Can you find the word could on this page? If your finger is touching this word, you are correct. Here's the word could. We also have the word said. I'm also going to read this one the fast way. Mac's dog got a good job. Jan can not see. Max can. Please go back and read this story. In your student book, it's on page number 110. And I want to see if you can read this to someone in your family. Enjoy and have a good day.